Hi there, this is Cara with ByteStand, and boy am I excited to share the Shopify solution with you. This video is for merchants that use ByteStand MCF shipping or are interested in doing so to connect Shopify with Amazon and have inventory in multiple Amazon marketplaces. If your Shopify customers are ordering products that are out of stock in their country, this video will show you exactly why and how to fix it. This usually happens when you're selling the same product in multiple Amazon marketplaces, like the United States and Canada, and the products are using the same SKU. Shopify organically shows customers a product's total inventory quantity, not what's actually available in each country. So, for stores who have inventory in multiple fulfillment locations, customers can end up ordering products you can't actually ship to them, and those MCF orders get rejected. The good news is this isn't a ByteStand issue, and there is a straightforward way to fix it. What we want is for Shopify to only show inventory that can actually be shipped to the customer's location. To fix this, we're going to use a Shopify setting called fulfillable inventory. This tells Shopify to only show products as in stock if they're available at a location that can actually ship to the customer. Of course, there are a few more steps, so let's get started. First, in Shopify, click on Settings and navigate to Shipping and Delivery. Look for the section Manage Fulfillable Inventory and Split Shipping Settings. Fulfillable Inventory should be a link. When you click on it, a pop-up will appear and you will want to enable Show Only Fulfillable Inventory. Just a quick side note, this option may not be available for stores created after April 2024. For new stores, Shopify reports that fulfillable inventory is activated by default. So if this is the case for your store, please continue watching the video and complete all of the steps. If you do not receive the expected results, reach out to us for further assistance. Okay, after enabling the Shopify feature, there is a secondary critical step, and that is setting up the store's fulfillment locations and zones correctly. Go ahead and exit out of the pop-up and continue to your shipping profiles. Every store has a general profile. If you have custom profiles, you will want to make the appropriate changes in each of those profiles. For this video example, we will continue to the general profile. This store has connected two Amazon MCF accounts, one for the United States and one for Canada. Notice how both fulfillment locations are bundled under one zone. These will need to be separated. Watch as I separate these fulfillment locations and create shipping rates. Now that the fulfillment locations are separated, it is important to check that the ByteStand USA fulfillment location is set up to offer shipping rates for the United States only, and that the ByteStand Canada location is set up to offer shipping rates to Canada only. There is no need to change any of your shipping rate names, which can also be called shipping titles, or any of the pricing. You are simply ensuring that each fulfillment location can only ship to the country it services. This step is what helps Shopify understand what your shipping goals are. Good news, this is the last change that needs to be made, but let's quickly view how this works behind the scenes. Taking a look at this product example, notice that the product has multiple inventory locations. Keep in mind that these are also referred to as fulfillment locations, which we were just setting up. This example product is out of stock in the ByteStand Canada location, but in stock in the ByteStand US location, which means customers visiting from Canada will see the product as sold out, and customers visiting from the United States will see the product as available and be able to proceed to checkout. Pretty amazing quick fix, right? Go ahead and test this with your products and their different fulfillment locations. Pro tip, look for this Shopify toggle at the bottom of the screen. It will help you effortlessly switch countries while testing. And that is all there is to it. Now, customers will only see products based on the inventory in their location, preventing orders from being placed in countries products are out of stock. So give this quick and free solution a try and let us know how it works out for you. Of course, if you have any questions, please contact us through email, phone, video calls, or chat. Until then, happy shipping!